a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross.
So this was the close call which I had while going to Bhandardara, and so the road was straight. Obviously there's like two-sided roads, like there's a double road, there's a divider in between, and for coming there's the other road for the coming vehicle. So I was going straight, I overtook one truck, and then the road was going like this, and on the left hand side there were some bushes, due to which I couldn't see in case if there's a car coming from the wrong side. And it did. I mean, like, I just took a turn. I was at a good speed at around 100, 120 maybe. And then from the wrong side of the road, there was a dumper coming, a truck. And see what happened. Also, I'll be attending India Superbike Festival, which is happening in Pune. Every time I forget that word, the name of the mall, it's something like Ammonia. Aminora Mall in Hadapsar. So there's India Superbike Festival. It happens every year since 2014, I suppose. And this year, I'm going. I'll be there on Friday itself. I won't be there for all the 3 days. I'll be there only for Friday, that is 7th of December 2018. So if you want to come and meet me over there, definitely you can come over there and meet me. I'll be right there. Just DM me on the Instagram that you're going to be there at the event at so and so time. Because I'll be coming there by around 5 o'clock in the evening, and we'll be there till 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then I'll be back home. People who are going to travel from Mumbai to Pune for India Superbike Festival, you can DM me as well, because even I'll be doing a small ride to Pune with my friend Sahal, I guess, in case if he joins me. I don't know, but mostly he'll join me. So just DM me on Instagram. So that's all for this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please give a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. And share the video as much as you can. Bye bye, love you all. Take care and see you sexy and beautiful people in the next video. Bye.